What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a tailgate power lock so you can control it from the stock key on your truck. This is going to be on a 2018 Toyota Tundra, and the following is what you're going to need to do this project. It's going to be for less than $40. You're going to need electrical tape, 2 rolls of 16 or 18 gauge wire. They come in 25 foot long, and also you're gonna need some zip ties. $7.99. The wire was $6.99, and all this you can find it on Amazon. You're gonna need a heavy duty power lock actuator. It's $7. I'll try to put that on the description of the video. You're gonna need 2 posse taps. They are $6.99 for a set of 6 of them. You're gonna need a 1/4 inch split wire loom. That's $11.79. You're gonna need a drill, a 1/4 inch drill bit, a 10 mil socket, and a T30 Torx bit to remove the cover of the tailgate from the inside. Okay, now on the bottom of your tailgate, you're going to see there's 2 connections, one coming from the tailgate going to the chassis of the truck. You're going to unplug those connections, and you're going to make a hole big enough to be able to fit the wire loom through it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to drill the hole from the actuator to make it just big enough to fit over the lever that pushes the lock to unlock the tailgate. Okay, so now you're gonna make sure you test the right angle of the actuator to make sure that it's able to open and close. Now you're going to remove the right side 10mm bolt. This is where the actuator will be mounted. Okay, here I'm just showing you how I bend the mounting bracket. Keep in mind some adjustments will be needed to make sure it's at the right height and the right angle. Okay, so now I'm just testing the bracket to see how it's going to be mounted, and then I'm going to screw the actuator to the bracket to be able to connect it to the lever that opens and closes the tailgate lock. Please follow on the second video, and I will show you how I did the wiring underneath the vehicle and where to connect it.